ஊர் சமையல் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You're the kindest, sweetest mom ever, and you are the best gift that God has given to me. And you have taken care of our whole family, me, Shivani, and Daddy. And you are the best gift. And you have not gotten mad at all of our mischiefs. And you are the best mom ever. Mwah. Happy Mother's Day.
Mom, you are so important, and you make me big and strong, and you teach me Bible verses, and you feed me regularly, and never be mad at them, teaching prayer, and good habits. Happy Mother's Day.
Let us be happy on this Mother's Day and protect us from any evil things, and help us not be tempted to not believe in you. And in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Thank you, Dustin. Thank you, Dustin. Okay.
Dustin?
It's funny.
Mother's Day, Mom. You're the best. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, thank you, Dustin. Thank you so much. Favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. Yellow.
Pink.
Pink. Pink and yellow or black? Purple. Purple. Yellow.
Pink.
Red.
Yellow.
Pink.
Pink.
Yellow. Pink. Teal and black. And yellow. Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me.
Good job, guys.
Love me. I'm coming, baby.
You got it. Got it.
Okay, I can see Parvati auntie. I can see Josh auntie.
ஊர் சமையல் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.